we have integral of irrational function. So first, because we have here square root in denominator, we cannot have 0 in denominator, and whatever is under square root must be positive. So we have that 5 plus 4x must be greater than 0. So x must be greater than negative 5 over 4. Next, I will change the square root to power form. So this is equal. We have integral of, because we have square root in denominator, so we will have 5 plus 4x to power negative, and square root, so we have power 1 over 2 dx. Next, to solve this integral, we will use substitution method. Because we have 5 plus 4x to power 1 over 2, so we need to substitute 5 plus 4x by t to second power. We have to always check denominator of our exponent. And to reduce this exponent, we need to put substitution to the same power which we have here in denominator. So now we have to find derivative of both sides of our equation. It will be 4 is equal to t dt to dx. Next, I will multiply both sides by dx to reduce the numerator. So we have that 4 dx is equal to t dt. Next, because we have only dx here, I will divide both sides by 4. 4 and 4 we can reduce, and 2 with 4 will be 2. And we have that dx is equal 1/2 t dt. Next, we can substitute to our integrand. We will copy symbol of integration, and we have 5 plus 4x is t squared. So we have t squared in parentheses to power negative 1/2, and dx is 1/2 t dt. Now we can reduce. When we have power to power, we do multiplication. So 2 and 2 we can reduce, and we can put 1/2 before integral symbol. So this is equal 1/2 integral of t to power negative 1 times this t dt. So this is equal 1/2 integral of, and when we don't have power, is always invisible 1. When we have the same base, we add exponents. So we will have t to power negative 1 plus 1 is 0 dt. So this is equal 1/2 integral t to 0 power is 1 dt. So this is equal integral of 1 is with respect to t is t. So we have 1/2 t plus constant c. Now we have to come back to our substitution. We put that 5 plus 4x is equal t squared. It means t is equal square root of 5 plus 4x. So now we will substitute t, and we will have 1/2 square root of 5 plus 4x plus constant c. This is my solution.